Hello, good morning, Jonathan. How have you been? ¿Cómo estás, Jonathan? I miss you. I hope you had a good night's sleep and you're ready to begin working on IEP goals 1 and 2. So for IEP's goal, we're going to be reading a short passage and answering some questions. So we're going to be talking about main idea and supporting details, Jonathan. So the main idea is what's most important about the text. So cuando estamos leyendo una historia, ¿qué es el punto de esa historia? Eso es lo que es main idea, the most important part. And supporting details are facts or examples that tell us more about the story. So supporting details pueden ser ejemplos o nomás cositas extras que ponen en la historia, que te está diciendo lo que es más importante de la historia. That is what supporting details are. So today's worksheet, we're going to be doing football. So look for this worksheet and find it. Look for the one that says football, Jonathan. So once you've gotten this worksheet, make sure to write your name. So you're going to put Jonathan Estrada and write the date over here. We are November 19, 2020. And I'm going to be reading this short passage with you. And then we are going to be answering question number 1 together. And you will be doing questions 2 and 3 on your own. So let's begin. It says football. Lou plays football. He loves football. Lou can run fast and throw far. He will ask John to play with him. So this is Lou. And what does Lou like to play, Jonathan? Does he like to play soccer or does he like to play football? Yes, good job. He likes to play football. And can Lou run slow or can he run super fast? Yes, Lou can run fast. Good job. And he's going to ask somebody to play with him. Who is he going to ask? Is he going to ask the cat or is he going to ask John? Who is he going to ask to play football with him? Sí, Jonathan, muy bien. Le va a preguntar a John. Awesome job, Jonathan. So now we are going to answer question number 1 together. So it says, what does Lou play? So what does he play, Jonathan? Does he play games? Does he play football? Or does he play soccer? Which one does he play? Yes, Jonathan. Lou loves to play. He likes to play football. So I can't write anything or circle it, but it's this one, football. So make sure you bubble in this one right here, the second answer. So now, Jonathan, you're going to do questions 2 and 3 on your own. Once you are finished, don't forget to take a picture of your worksheet. Now let's move on to goal number 2. So now, Jonathan, for goal number 2, we're going to sort pictures or objects into categories. So here are examples of sorting pictures into categories. So here they want all the pictures that have to do with food. So this is food, esto también, and esto también. All of this is food. They're things we eat. Over here, they want clothes. So here, these are socks. Esta es una camisa y un pantalón. Y un vestido y botas. Todo esto es ropa. They're all clothes. So tiene que ir junto. And over here are shapes. These are shapes. And this is another shape. And this is another shape. And they're all together. So you see how they're sorted out into categories. Food goes with food. Clothes with clothes, and shapes with shapes. So now for your goal number 2 worksheet, we are going to sort ocean animals. So look for this paper right here and get it out, because this is the worksheet we're going to be doing today. The one that says ocean animals and other animals. So this is the worksheet, Jonathan. Don't forget to write your name over here in the top right corner. And here the direction says, cut out each animal and glue them into the correct box. So you're going to cut out all the little animals and you're going to put them in the box they belong. So here they want ocean animals. Animals that belong in the ocean. Los que están en el agua, Jonathan, aquí van a ir. Y acá va a ser cualquier otro animal. Any other animal que no va en el agua. That do not go in the ocean, go over here. So I'm going to do one of each one with you. So the first one here. This is a crab. Crabs belong in the ocean. So this picture will go here. I cannot cut and paste, but you just make sure you put that the crab belongs here in the ocean animals. And this is a bird, un pajarito. Does the bird go in the ocean? No. The bird does not go in the ocean porque luego se ahoga, Jonathan, no puede ir en el agua. So bird would be over here. Other animals. They're not ocean animals. So el bird va para acá and the crab goes over here. And you're going to do that for all of the other animals. So this is a dolphin. Tell me if the dolphin belongs in the ocean or in the other animals. This is un sheep. So does it belong in the ocean or other animals? This is an octopus. This is a fish. This is a pig. This is another fish. This is a bear. This is an elephant. This is a turtle. And this is a rabbit. So paste all the animals where they belong into their category. And once you are done, make sure you take a picture of it and you send it to your teacher for a grade. If you have any questions, you can always talk to me or Mr. Salinas. Jonathan, we are here to help. Si ocupas ayuda, nomás nos dices, okay? Bye, Jonathan. I hope you have a good rest of your day. Que te diviertas. I hope you're having lots of fun and you are staying safe. Bye, Jonathan. See you tomorrow.